Hi, I'm Mike Toutonghi, the Verus community's lead developer. People often wonder how Verus can scale to everyone in the world. If Bitcoin can only process about 7 transactions per second worldwide and Ethereum about 24, why can Verus be used by everyone in the world every day? The answer lies in a different perspective and a different approach. One I'm confident will become clear as we explore it together, so let's get into it. In the early days of computer applications, people used central mainframe computers connected to terminals to run their apps. Though today we use mobile phones and PCs, that approach is really how most blockchains are still built today. The biggest blockchain networks operate using the what I call one blockchain to rule them all philosophy, functioning like central hubs with smart contracts and/or applications and everything else spinning around the one central hub. With that approach, they limit scale to what that single blockchain can process. And instead of embracing a multi-chain world, more like a multi-server world, as the internet is today, they bottleneck everything through the one chain and resist the emergence of others. In June 2018, about a month after the Verus network activation, we published a vision paper. It wasn't a roadmap. It was the bigger picture as we saw it. We envisioned a scalable blockchain protocol that could go beyond transactions by improving the whole digital public space, giving everyone their own secure digital identity, allowing anyone to create their own digital currencies and/or blockchains, and setting up a solid foundation for private yet transparent and verifiable collaboration of all types. This protocol would provide the tools necessary to run polls, elections, services, commerce, social networking, or incentivized contribution to provable training data for future beneficial AI. We invited the world to come help us build it, and many people did. In the Verus vision paper, we described public blockchains as a service, or PBaaS, a protocol to launch any number of provably connected chains, each independent, decentralized, and yet controlled by its users, and each not only its own namespace of identities and currencies to network, but also having storage and processing capacity of its own. This isn't just theory. PBaaS is live on the internet today. Verus PBaaS chains operate as independent worldwide networks themselves, each capable of processing between 75 to about 800 transactions per second, while being automatically, universally interoperable with all currencies on the Verus network and other connected chains. This interoperability extends to all chains, whether directly or indirectly connected, enabling seamless exchange or conversion of currencies and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Every individual PBaaS chain is part of a larger network that scales out with no real upper limit to transactions per second, forming the backbone of what we call the Verus Internet of Value. Gateways to other provable protocols like the Verus Ethereum bridge connect Verus to non-Verus networks as well. The Verus Ethereum bridge facilitates the free flow of any currency or non-fungible tokens and assets between Ethereum, Verus, and any other chain connected to the Verus ecosystem. Get Verus Mobile on the app and Play stores. Join the Verus community and be part of this financial revolution where your identity, data, and finances are yours to control. No limits, no boundaries.